Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make compound butter, a simple way to elevate your cooking. This versatile ingredient is essentially butter infused with herbs, spices, or other aromatics, transforming ordinary dishes into something extraordinary. It's perfect for adding a burst of flavor to grilled meats, roasted vegetables, or even just a slice of toast. We'll cover everything from selecting your ingredients to shaping and storing your delicious creations, making it easy for anyone to master. Choosing the right ingredients is key to a fantastic compound butter. Always start with high-quality unsalted butter, allowing you to control the overall saltiness. Make sure your butter is at room temperature. This is crucial for achieving a smooth, uniform mixture. For your flavorings, finely chop fresh herbs like dill or thyme, or mince aromatics such as garlic and shallots. If using citrus, grate the zest carefully, avoiding the bitter white pith to ensure a bright, fresh taste. Now for the fun part, mixing and creating your unique flavor combinations. In a medium bowl, combine your softened butter with all your prepared ingredients. Use a fork or a sturdy spatula to thoroughly mix everything together until it's completely uniform. Don't be afraid to get creative. Classic savory options include garlic and herb or a zesty lemon and dill. For a sweet treat, try honey and cinnamon or even a maple and pecan blend. The possibilities are truly endless, so have fun experimenting. Once your compound butter is perfectly mixed, it's time to shape and store it. Spoon the butter onto a sheet of parchment paper or plastic wrap. Then roll it into a neat log shape, about 1.5 inches in diameter. This makes it easy to slice later. Place the log in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until it's firm. When ready to use, simply slice off a medallion and place it on hot steaks, roasted vegetables, or spread it generously on warm, crusty bread. Enjoy your flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.